Finding the courage to change. A fellowship of equals. When I first discovered 12-step meetings, I was looking for someone to tell me what to do. I was like a baby bird, expecting someone else to deliver the magic formula that would solve my problems or fix that person. I was so confused when I asked people, "What should I do?" They would shrug and say, "I don't know." I believed they were supposed to have the answer. The only advice that I got was, "You should wait a while and study the program. Maybe you don't need to do anything. If you do need to take action, you'll know." In relationship matters, I used to gather many opinions, choose one, and then resent the bad advice of others. Having to thoughtfully decide for myself was very unsettling, and it was time consuming. I had to learn how to slow down rather than rush into a decision. Today, I love the meetings where we are a fellowship of equals. Everyone has the same goal. Everyone has their own path. Everyone has unique skills and experiences to share. There are no magic answers, no solutions handed down from on high. Everyone has to do their own work and develop their own solutions. We all bring a gift to a group meeting, the gift of personal experience. Today, I'm learning to have the confidence to be myself, to share my heart rather than just a facade. We're a fellowship of equals. When we share our experience, strength, and hope, we offer a gift to everyone.